Okay, welcome back to Introduction to Functions, exercise 7. I'm the coding teacher and I'm here to teach you how to code. This video is very important. This is one of the most important concepts in functions. And what they're trying to tell us here is the concept of returning values. So here we have a function called times 2, right? And that function just takes a number, multiplies it by 2, and returns it. What does that mean? If I call times 2 here, times 2 of 48, for example, is going to grab 48, is going to grab 48, right? Times 2 of 48 is just going to run this function in a way where number takes on the value of 48. So what's it going to do? Return 48 times 2, which is 96. When you say return something, the call to the function becomes that thing that was returned. So typing times 2 of 48 is equivalent to typing 96. Typing times 2 of 100 is equivalent to, so it's going to return, the function call is going to return 200, right? So this whole thing is going to become 200. Okay, that's what returning means. It means that the call to the function becomes a value later on. So because it becomes a value, you can put it inside another variable, which is what we're doing here. So they're telling us to call, have this variable new number, call times 2 with any number, and then log new number. If we save and submit code, we see that that's 200. If I put 50 here and I submit it again, it's 100. Again, what does returning do? When you call the function, we already know that the block of code is going to get executed in a way such that the values that you pass to the function become these variables that are here as defined as parameters. So that's all nice. However, when you have something returned, there's an additional thing that happens. The value that gets returned replaces the original function call. Okay, so in here you could have done times 200 or 1000, for example. And this would be, in this specific case, the same as just typing 2000, right? That doesn't do anything, but you can actually put that into some other variable. X equals that, new number plus a space plus X. So if we run that, we see what we did there. Okay, it's not, I mean, it marked it wrong because it's not what the problem was asking for, but this is the behavior that we expect. Looks like you didn't print out the value new number. Actually, yes, we did. Let's see. Yep. So that's it for this video. I really hope this is one of the most tricky concepts in programming. So, just do your best to wrap your mind around it. And don't worry if you can't fully grasp it right away, because you're going to come around to it. It is a very foreign thing and it's very new, but it's not that complicated. So once you see it in action a bunch of times, you will wrap your mind around it. So just make sure you keep paying attention, you keep going, don't get frustrated, don't get impatient. And that's all I have to say for this time. I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you guys next time.